illallah, alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n iná ń ṣe mọ́. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ. Ọba torí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. Àbẹ̀ ọ́ àbẹ̀ ọ́ fún wa. Torí lọ́la kó fàyà kùn Ọlọ́run wa bá.
If you believe that you have a lot of problems and you want to get rid of it, maybe you are having a spiritual problem, you understand, and you want to get rid of it, you need one candle. You need one candle. Or maybe you went to somewhere and they see a vision and tell you that something is disturbing your life spiritually. Are you with me? And you want to get rid of it. You want to know the causes, you want to know what is wrong with you, and you want to get rid of it. You need one candle. You need one candle. Or you want to confirm it by yourself. You want to know whether there is a negative energy in your house, in your working place, in your business. You understand? Sometimes people do complain that they are selling market and market is not moving. No customers. You understand? You want to know the causes. You want to know whether there is a negative energy surrounding you, or you want to know that maybe someone has done black magic on you, affecting your life. So you are going to use one candle. One candle. You are going to use one candle. Very simple and very, very effective. Only if you can follow my instruction. You need white candle, not black, not red, and not yellow candle. You need white candle. One is okay. There is one thing I want you to do with the candle. Are you with me? So if you want to do this, must do it in the night before you sleep, and in the morning when you check the candle, what you see will tell you if there is a negative energy affecting your life, or if someone has placed magic on you. Are you with me? So, how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. This is your first time here. Everything I do is to share spiritual tips to help your spiritual life. And if any of my content are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of these videos, you are free to go back to my preferred videos. See a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on 070-374-22552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-533-2747. As you see from the title, today I want to explain how to use one candle. And the first ayah of Surah Maryam, the first ayah of Surah Maryam, Ka Ha Ya Ain Sod. How to use it to check if there is a negative energy disturbing your life, or maybe you are the one that you need to take care of yourself. Maybe you believe that someone has placed curse on you and you want to get rid of it. You want to neutralize the attack sent to you. You want to know if there is someone behind your progress. So if you are not a Muslim, there's a way you can do it. You understand? But if you are a Muslim, it's very important you follow this instruction. Are you with me? If you know how to read Quran, if you can recite Quran, if you are not a Muslim, if you can pronounce this word, you can also do it. Are you with me? You can also do it. So this is what you are going to do in the night before you sleep. Get one candle, white candle. So when you get this candle, you remove your clothes. You must be naked. I think you understand me. You hold the candle. You now use this candle to touch every part of your body. You apply it every part of your body from your head to your toe. Then now hold the candle. You can sit down. After doing that, you put on your clothes, you sit down. You now hold the candle. There is one thing we call Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim. You are going to recite that on that candle 77 times. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim 77 times. Then after that, you are going to pronounce the first ayah of Surah Maryam. Ka ha ayin no ka ha ya ayin sod 195 times on that candle. Then you are going to end it with Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad sallim 77 times. You start Allahumma salli ala Muhammad sallim from the beginning, and you end it after the prayer. You end it. My Muslim brother and sister will surely understand the step. But if you are not a Muslim, if you want to do it, there's a way you can do it. Maybe in my next video I will explain that. You understand? So after that, what you are going to do is that you can take the candle to a special place. You are going to put the candle on a plate. Please, you don't put the candle on the on the rug, on the plastic rubber or firewood. Please place the candle on a plate and you light it. When you light this candle, you are not allowed to go back to there, so you better go and sleep direct. So go and sleep. In the morning, early in the morning, you go back to that place you place the candle. So there are two things you want to study from this candle. The first one is when you get to that place, you light the candle. If you find the wax or you find the candles, half of the candle there, it means that nothing is happening to you. It means that you don't have any spiritual problem. You just need to take care of yourself. You need prayer. You understand? Go and give sadaqah. You understand? You don't have any spiritual attack. But if you find out that the candle, the wax, you don't even see any traces of candle, no wax, no half candle, it means that someone is behind your progress. Are you with me? It means that there is a negative energy that you need to take care of yourself. You can check my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help that. Are you with me? To destroy your enemies, to disorganize them. Check my previous video, you see that. So that is how to do it, and that is very simple and very, very effective. So that's all. You don't need any other thing. You just want to check yourself spiritually. You need that. If you want to do it, maybe you don't know how to do it, you can, if you know any afar around your place that can help you to do it, you can call the person. They can do it for you. You give them the candle after you use it to apply all over your body. You give them to do the prayer. You understand? Then you light it. You check it in the next day. Anything you see. So that is simple as ABC. Èyí tí mo bá sọ náà ni bí a ṣe ń lo candle tí a bá fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ẹ mọ̀ pé gbà mí tí èèyàn bá jáde wọ́n máa ń jíṣẹ́ fún yàn eléyìí nǹkan kan máa ń ṣe tàbí agbọ́jàlẹ̀ ọdún ìyá gbogbo ṣẹ́ láti wẹ̀ same thing. A fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá tó wáyé ni àbí Ọlọ́run ló ń dára. Tó wáyé pé Ọlọ́run ló dára ẹ kàn lọ sí sàárà ni. Tó wáyé pé wáyé ni ẹ gbìyànjú ẹ tọ́jú ara yín. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tí a bá fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá candle funfun kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́ sínú yàrá ká bu ara lè wo ọmọlúwàbí. Ká fi candle ìpara láti òkè délẹ̀. Tá bá ti fi para, ẹ mú candle ìdání kẹ́ wẹ̀wù kẹ́ jókòó padà. Ẹ mú candle ìdání. ẹ ṣe Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim 77 times sára candle yẹn. Ẹ wá ṣe the first ayah from Suratul Maryam ka ha ya ain sod jẹ́ ká kà sí nígbà 195 times ká tún wá ṣe àsàlátù 77 times parí ẹ̀ tá bá ti wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ìdí candle yẹn sínú abọ́ kan ká lọ tanná sí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi bẹ́ẹ̀ ká lọ sùn tó bá dijọ́ kejì ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ padà lọ síbẹ̀ tá bá wá rí i pé candle yẹn nígbà tá débẹ̀ o ẹ̀jókòó ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ tàbí àjókòó candle kò jó tán kú tàbí a rí wax ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ó mì pé ẹnìkan kò dà wá láàmú o a kàn nídìí bóyá ká ṣe sàárà ká dẹ̀ tọrọ ìdáríjì ká bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé wa àmọ́ gbà tá a débẹ̀ àwa bẹ́ẹ̀ kò jókòó candle àbá candle yẹn bẹ̀ wọ́n ti mú lọ àrí traces kankan ọmọ ìyá mi múra sọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé ẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ pò gidi tí a bá wá rí i pé a fẹ́ agbóbẹ́ àárí ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àwọn fídíò tí mo ṣe sẹ́yìn nípa orí ọ̀tá ni ẹ jẹ́ ká bà ayé ọ̀tá wa jẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ ká alálùyọ ni wọ́n fẹ́ ká sóríire torí káàdù tó tàn yẹn gan tó tàn tó fi ṣe kíní àdúrà lásán ni wọ́n fẹ́ ká dùn ẹ̀ ó gbà ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó rí nǹkan kan fi yọ lọ ẹ wo ìgbésí ayé ò ní bàjẹ́ èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ mo tún fídíò yìí ṣe ni wàláì mo tún ṣe ni mo ti ṣe fídíò yìí láti last week wọ́n dẹ̀ ti edit ẹ̀ jẹ́ kán download ẹ̀ ló bá di pé mistakenly kò tiẹ̀ yé ẹni náà wọ́n kàn wá fídíò tí lórí fóònù ni ò bá rí fóònù pé a bá pè mí pé àwọn ọmọ rí fídíò tí mo máa ṣe nípa bí a ṣe lo candle làwọn edit lé mo ní báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ orí fóònù dáadáa mo tún orí fóònù tèmi náà mi ò bá ń bẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kí n tó wá padà tún fídíò ṣe mo fi Ọlọ́run sí ẹlẹ́rìí mo tó ṣe ni ànídàm lágbára Ọlọ́run á tún máa bára sọ èyí tó tún jù báyìí lọ nígbà míì èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín tọ̀m tí.
lọ́la kó báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ lọ́la kó báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ajẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jẹ́ dìgbọ́ ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́. àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ kó fàyà kú Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà jẹ́ ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò